Video 13. In the previous lesson, we created walls and columns for a building story. However, in the construction, there will be cases of design changes, especially in architecture. Let's take a wall as an example. We create the wall from a 2D plan view. Today, I will introduce a tip to generate walls. Feature of reference point. For example, according to the design, we have to delete a wall. But later we want to recreate. You can create from the icon on the action bar, or choose from the wizard tab. You choose the available wall and match it. We can check the properties if necessary. You can completely create from the top side. Then choose reverse if not true. Select the next point. Or you use the reference point tool. Go to the wall, right-click and match properties. If begin from the bottom side, there are two ways to implement. First, reference function. Choose any point on the wall. The software will ask for the reference point. You can keep the proposed reference point or choose another corner to change the reference point. You enter the offset value from the reference point. For example, the starting point will be 1000 millimeters far from the reference point. Then select the end point to finish. In the second way, we also need to click on the sample wall. Hover in a corner. Enter the positioning value delta X, delta Y in the left corner of the screen. Example, delta X equals minus 1000. Click on the reference point and then set the second point. So, I've introduced you the reference point tool in Allplan. Next lesson, linear component.